You guys, I swear we are not this messy. Oh my god. Hey! Good morning. It is Sunday. Not so much fun day because we have to clean. And like really, really clean very badly. Because our place is currently a humongous mess. As you've seen, it snowed yesterday, so I mean we're not doing anything fun because it's cold outside and I'm not going out. Yoli's is because she has to go to work, so that just leaves me to entertain y'all, and I can't really entertain y'all because I gotta clean. So it looks like you guys are stuck with me to just clean. So, oh look, babe's back. Babe, look at my eyes, look beautiful in the sun. Oh, that's what I was saying. Before we start, I just want to go ahead and say something. Yesterday when we were out, I had mentioned to one of Yolanda's friends that, you know, brown eyes don't really get that much credit. You know, it's just colored eyes, like blue eyes, green eyes. They get all this credit because, you know, they're beautiful and blah, blah. And I'm like, you know, people with brown eyes, I mean, you can't really see it. You know, you're just kind of like, oh, you got brown eyes. All right, cool. But it's like, wait until that sun hits your eye. It's just beautiful. It's like a beautiful like pot of honey. But now that I look at it, it's like a beautiful pot of like Nescafe. Oh, you're bogus. She's an a-hole. All right, guys. Anyways, without further ado, let's get this started. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8 a.m.
We're starting at 8 o'clock on the dot, baby. Ooh. Hi guys, it's Yoli's. I will be doing the voiceover as Evelyn cleans. This video is just part 1. This is a long process. We were not able to clean a lot during the whole week, so the weekend was the only time Evelyn was able to clean. So look at her. Oh my god, that table is like the devil. When the table came into the picture, we just started piling stuff on it. Look at it's Evelyn's pun blanket. That blanket is supposed to mean like pineapple upside down cake. So the cakes are your butt. Oh, she dusted. Look at her. She's so cute. That's our little kitchen. We have all our appliances are electrical, so we just plug them in. And there's me trying to help. I probably did. I probably was just in her way. Oh my god, I apologize. I'm messing with my shorts here. My dogs are all in the way. It's incredible how incredibly fast my wife cleaned up the place. Look at her go. Wow. Can we talk about how my wife's pants are too long for her? She's really short, so those pants are like dragging along. They're like chanclas. Chanclas and pants combined. Oh, she even vacuumed her little chair. Get it, babe, get it. Hey, babe. Babe. Yoli's. Oh, wow. Hey, you missed a spot. There's a couple spots there I saw. Wow, oh no, pero wow. Oh, everything looks so cute. Oh my god, you guys remember the beginning, right? This is so incredible. Look at how clean it is. Oh, and there's the hallway. That's where our dogs stay while we go to work. So that little area tends to get really dirty and dusty because of them, and then their food is everywhere. At least like, oh, thanks for feeding me. Oh, there's my grandpa. She did such a good job. Oh, she hung some stuff up there. Look at that. Oh, pero wow. Good job, babe. Oh, off to the next project. Look at her. Look at her go. She's so fast. Scrub, 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 scrub. I like how she has to fix her hair while she cleans. Wow, that bathroom looks so clean. I'm sorry, y'all. I look a damn mess, man. Like, I look a mess about 90% of the time. Like, y'all see me. I'm so sorry you have to go through this. I've been cleaning all day. I have to clean anyway. Why not just bring you guys along with me, you know? We are not that messy. We took that table out. And then, you know, when you put certain surfaces out, you just like, oh, I don't want this in my way. Let me put it on this table. And then that's just what happened. And then we were busy. And anyways, look at this. Look at this. I don't care. I can't take your long ass pants. Why? What's wrong with them? They're so long. Oh my god, look at this. Who did it? Pebbles. Oh no. No. Our bedroom looks so bad. Oh, you guys, I swear, we are not this messy. It's so crazy. I mean, stuff happens during the week and we don't have time. There's just so much we do. Yeah, we haven't washed in a really long time. Oh my god, look at all that. Babe, I'm so sorry. My closet space is terrible. I have like clothes everywhere. You guys, I'm a tornado. I always try on outfits. If I don't like them, I don't hang them up. I just put them to the side on top of my shoes. That's what she was grabbing. Oh, that's her eBay corner. We've been selling a lot of stuff on eBay, so go check us out on eBay and you know, buy a couple things if you like them. Oh, here I am trying to help. Wow. You know, if you notice, I'm trying to help, but it looks like I piled more stuff on the bed. Oh, that's my winter clothes. So I'm taking out my winter clothes as we're trying to fold our clean clothes. So that's not really helping. Sorry, babe. All right, I think that is as far as we got on Sunday. So there's gonna be a part 2 coming soon. So check that out. Adios!